Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use sorting function in Google Sheets. To do this, first you will need to create something that I have right here. Of course, you can customize it. It can have numbers or anything you like. There needs to be one of the cells with something like a title, like names that I have right here, and then the values that we want to sort. Now we can click a shift while selecting the title, and then hold that shift and click on the last cell with the value that you want to sort. Navigate to the data, then select create new filter. Now we'll be able to filter those either from A to Z, from Z to A, sorted by color. So for example, we can make a Jack and a Tom red, and John and Mark green. Okay, now we can click on those three lines next to the title and sort it, for example, by a color, red. So now the red names will appear on the top. And I hope you get that. You can customize it however you like. You can even use the text color. And that's basically how you sort things in Google Sheets. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.